Do you feel like your brakes aren't working? However, that could just be the vehicle itself again. So tuk-tuks, unlike cars, unlike most of the vehicles you'll be driving back home, don't have what's called ABS, automatic braking system. So when you push the brake down on a tuk-tuk, it's pumping fluid into the brakes manually every time you push it down. In a car, as you push down on that brake, the car has an automatic system that continuously pumps the fluid in. So when you first start driving in the morning, if you haven't used the brakes a little bit, you actually need to push down on them to make them more responsive. So if you're just driving, you're going straight, and then you think, oh, I'm gonna brake up here, you push down once, it may not be as responsive. I promise you, if you push down once, let go, push down again, that second push will be much more responsive. Now, where does this come in the most important? Driving down hills. If you're driving down the countryside in hills, try not to go in neutral because that's quite hard to control the vehicle. Make sure you're shifting through those gears, fourth gear, third gear, second gear, whatever's required to help you control that speed. However, while you're controlling that speed, you don't just want to be resting your foot on that brake. You want to be releasing the brake and pushing the brake down again at different intervals. So one reason not to do that is if you continuously rest your foot on the brake, it'll wear down those pads and overheat them, and then the brake may not work again. And the second reason you want to be intermittently using those brakes is to make sure there's fluid in there in case you do need to brake suddenly. Thank you guys. I hope you're being safe out there, and good luck on the roads.